Stargazer has been unveiled by Hyundai Motors Indonesia, a completely owned subsidiary of Hyundai Motor Company, and is currently open for reservations in the nation. The 7-seat Stargazer, from the Korean automaker, will face off against vehicles like the Mitsubishi Xpander, Honda BRV, Toyota Avanza, Veloz and Daihatsu Xenia. In terms of dimensions, the Stargazer measures 4,460 mm long, 1,780 mm wide, 1,695 mm tall, and has a wheelbase spanning 2,780 mm. These figures are within the vicinity of the competition, but what sets the Stargazer apart is its futuristic styling. The Stargazer has a full-width light strip up front that rests just below the bonnet shut line, taking design cues from the larger stereo. The vehicle's main headlamps are located further down, on either side of a sizable rectangular grille, that is a component of an X-shaped bumper, and has a trapezoidal bottom intake. Inside, the dashboard is dominated by a huge binnacle, that houses both an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, as well as a 4.2-inch or 3.5-inch LCD instrument cluster that is set quite deep within it. To complement the visual flair of the exterior, the main trim piece on the dash that integrates the air vents is finished in bright silver. Under the hood, the MPV is equipped with a SmartStream G 1.5-litre, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder from the Creta with 115 PS and 144 Nm of torque. The mill is paired with either a 6-speed manual or Hyundai's IVT, with drive sent to the front wheels.
Audio Jungle.